Hello guys, welcome to this STEPCAD. In this video, we are going to learn how to read engineering drawings. So let's get started. When you see the typical engineering drawing, it something looks like this. There are some views of the part, there are some tables which contains some information and some notes. So let's see all these things one by one. So when you observe at upper right hand of the drawing, there is isometric view of the part. Now if you observe on this area of the drawing, there is a front view of the part, then there is a left view. Now this left view is not this side view. This is actually this side view. Now if you observe, there is a top view of the part. This is actually the view we will see from there. This is not a bottom view. So we have to observe like that. Now on a front view, there is a capital A written over there. That is datum A or detail A. Now if we see, detail A drawing is there. So now we can observe that we have the dimensions and locations for the slots. Now same if we look at the left view, there is detail B. Now if we see at detail B drawing, now we have the dimensions and locations of these two holes. Now if we observe at isometric view, we can see right view of the part and there is holes also. But we do not have detailed view of right view. Then what we have to do is, we will consider these holes of same dimension and at same location as of left view. So that's how we read the views of the part on engineering drawing. Now let's read these tables. On the first table there is a projection, that is on which projection drawing is made, whether it is first angle projection or third angle projection. Then there is a scale, in this case it is 1:8. Then there is a company name, then name of a person who created the drawing, then name of a person who approved the drawing, then there is a name of the part, then there is a number of the drawing, then there is a little note that all dimensions are in millimeter, then drafting standard, then date, and then number of sheets. That's all in the first table. Now second table shows the tolerance values for specific dimensions. Like for dimension 1 to 10, it's plus minus 0.1, for 10 to 20, it's plus minus 0.2, like that. Now for example, the hole there is of radius 6 or diameter 12, so we will give it a tolerance value of plus minus 0.1. Now drawing has notes also. In this case there is a note that heat treatment not required, and like material of the part, in this case that is steel. So that's it. That's how we read the engineering drawing. If you learned something from this video, then hit a like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and to follow us on our Instagram page. You will get all the updates and newly launched series there. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep designing.